Well, decided to come on out front and take a shot, even though the sun was still pretty bright out here. Still high 80s right now. I think it's 89 or something. It was like 93 today and high humidity, and it's just been kind of crazy here. But this is my tall fescue, and I let it get a little tall. The last mow that I did was 2 days ago, and I mowed it at 4.5 inches, and it's now at 6.5 inches because we got in the middle, we had a day and a half of thunderstorms and rain. We got about 2 inches of rain, and it's just made it go crazy. But I mean, considering the old lawn's looking pretty good, look at how high those edges are. That's maybe you can get a sense of that. The babies are up there. Oh yeah. So normally keep it at 4.25, 4.5, but with this high heat. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever had fungus problems, but this got totally wiped out with fungus, and I had fungicide down, but I think it's called plethia got in it and just started going crazy, and in just a couple of days wiped it. So when you see these big divots like this, because I was trying to stop it, because it was going to take the whole thing. Basically, I came in and burned it with my torch, and then now I've cut it out, and I need to get it ready to go to seed here. But you can see the damage it's done. It's just totally wiped out. That's my neighbor in his wiregrass / devilweed / Bermuda that's invaded, and I've been killing it out. That's why it's burnt like that, is I've killed it out. I've been having to come out here for the last 2 weeks and every day do a kill the Bermuda walk and give it a shot of killer, and can't afford the expensive stuff, but the Pilex like to get some of that. But been putting on the Teflon ester and just doing spot shots on it with a little pump. Not a big, just an individual shot on the leaves. And I knocked it out last year, and I had it everywhere in here this year, mostly because he's loaded with it over there. And that's actually a Fescue Lawn that's half and half now. And over here where they're building, all of this is wild Bermuda, and it blows in here big time. And so hopefully we'll get some neighbors that are going to do something. This builder normally puts sod in, so hopefully that gets sod and we get that knocked down anyway, and then maybe that'll help me to get rid of this. But look at the blight was over here too. Yeah, so it took those spots out, and like I say, I burned them. But it's not looking too bad. That one over there, the one I told you is 50-50 now, or approximately. That's actually taken care of by a professional lawn care company. This is me using Gary's Turf Tea, all those super organics that I'm getting from my buddy Pete. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'm going to go back in and cool off because it is hot out here. Have a good 4th of July. Bye.